Thank you.
Cheers.
They were catching the heads. The heads are easier to throw. So, fillet this. Look at the size of this pinfish.
It's pretty big. Wow.
It's pretty big. Good meat for Poe. I just got guts squirted on me.
Ooh, nice. So we're gonna smell even more like fish.
This is the way I butterfly a pinfish and leave no meat on the bone. Very little meat on the bone. I run it through to the center bone, then down the other side, gingerly.
Wow.
And then I just get that bone out of there like that.
Nice.
And those guts, same riddance. And there's a nice fillet.
Oh, he's gonna be so jazzed. Looks like a butterfly.
Look at these.
Wow.
You can see my finger through it, right?
Yeah. Wow.
Watch that seagull. Come on, guys.
You're not very good at that, are you?
Here you go. You got it.
He did?
Yeah.
I don't know if I got that, but.
Close enough. Ready? Here you go. Oh, baby. Here we go. Let's try again. Come on.
Oh, I don't know. Did you get it?
He got it. Come in.
Oh, God.
All right. There's some more. 3 or 4. Okay.
You ready? Oh.
Did he get it?
Yeah. Oh. Just missed it.
Here.
Ready, guys? Nice catch. Wow.
Mama likes this. Your new hobby.
They're good at this.
You don't want rotten pork in your face.
No. Wow. Smells pretty good, actually.
Okay, here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh.
You dummy.
Oh.
Did he get it? Yeah.
Jeez, it threw it right at you.
You almost knocked him out of the sky with it.
Oh, shit. Sorry, guys.
Are you about done?
Yeah. It's hurting my booby. Look at all this.
Who knew that feeding seagulls hurt boobies?
Yeah. Oh, come on, guys.
Wow, that was ridiculous. All right, that's it, guys.
Stop.
Carefully guarding my shrimp.
Yeah.
Nobody gets my shrimp.
Yellow jackets are like, yeah, we don't want that. We want the blood.
Yeah, they like the protein. You want some fish?
Here.
No, you can't have the shrimp. Wait. Can I see that?
Goodbye. Thanks, Dad.
Look at your lovely lantern.
It's really cool.